Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial from tutsplus.com called How to Create a Canyon Illustration in Adobe Illustrator. Here's a snapshot of what we will be creating. A link of this tutorial will be in the description below. The first step is to create a new artboard. File, New. I'm using Adobe Illustrator 2017 version. And we are working in pixels, and our width is 800 by 528 in height. And there is our new artboard. Step 2 says to set up a custom grid. To do that, we'll go to Edit, Preferences, Guides and Grid, and adjust to the following settings. So a shortcut for that is Command K or Control K if you're using a Windows PC. In this case, I am using a Windows PC. So we're in the Guides and Grid section. Grid line every 1 pixel and subdivisions 1. And we can give our grid a color if we want, but I think I'll stick with gray. Hit OK when we're done, and we have our grid. Now at this moment I can't see the grid, but let's go to our view menu and choose show grid, and there we go. We'll also go to view and make sure snap to grid is now selected. Okay, so that takes care of step 1 and 2. So we need 5 layers: background, clouds, texture, camera, body. So we'll go to our layers panel and create 5 layers and rename them to background, which I'll just call BG. Double click the layer name to rename clouds for layer 2, texture, camera, body, and screen. We'll go ahead and do one more step in this video, how to create the background. So we're going to get our rectangular tool or shortcut letter M. Make sure we are in Illustrator, click it, or press M, and create an 800 by 528 pixel rectangle, which is going to cover our artboard. So I'll just go ahead and click once, 800, press tab on my keyboard to switch fields, 528. That is the same size as our artboard. Since I have the screen minimized, you don't see your align buttons up here in our control panel, but I can go to window align and choose options, show options, align it to artboard, and now I can horizontally align center and vertically align center, and we have just matched our artboard to our rectangle background to our artboard, which we need to change the color to this beige or tan color. So here's the color code. All I'm going to do is double click while I have the shape selected, paste that in there, hit OK, and there we go. We have our background. So that was actually step 1 of how to create a background. I guess it's broken down into steps and subheaders or headers. So in case I get sidetracked with the steps, just follow this title right here. So that's it for this video. In the next video, we'll do a couple more steps.